This is a demonstration of me leaving my phone in my bedroom and going into the living room and showing you that my watch is going to lose Bluetooth with my phone. And then I'm going to make a call. So, let's go.
Walks around the building carrying a stack of books. If you ever see him, you should not follow book letters and bully the aliens.
Now I am all the way in my living room. Here we go. It's going to tell you, you see on the top? Okay, there it goes. It said Bluetooth disconnected, mobile data will be used instead. Gonna click OK. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it off. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press right here, which is the bottom, which shows the apps. And I'm going to scroll down to my text messages. And that's my mom. I'm going to text her. I'm going to tell her to call me. So I'm going to push this microphone. I'm going to allow it. Call me now. Now I'm going to hit send because it says exactly what I wanted to say. Send as text. And you see it went to that. So now we're going to sit here. We're going to wait for her to call me. And you see that it said that I am not in Bluetooth range. And that's her calling me now. So I'm going to answer. Hello?
Hello.
Hi. So I have you on my watch, and I'm all the way in the living room. So do you want to do what we talked about? I call you now from my watch, and you're going to answer on your watch?
Yep. That would be good.
Okay, so we're going to do that next.
So you're going to call me?
Yes, I'm going to call you now.
And I'll answer you on my watch?
Yes.
Okay.
So we can see how it sounds, and we could show the people, my viewers, how it's going to sound from watch to phone, which is what we're doing now, and from watch to watch.
Okay. Is my voice coming out loud and clear on your watch?
Yes, it is. It's coming out very clear.
That's good. That's good.
All right, so let me call you back. I'm going to call you from watch to watch, and you answer from your watch. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the same way that I showed you to get to messages. I'm going to go ahead and get to phone. And I'm going to call my mother, which should be the last one on here. And she's going to answer from her watch. Am I calling her? Okay, now I'm calling her.
Hello?
Hi.
I didn't have my volume up.
Oh, can you hear me?
I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay, and you're on your watch, right?
Yep, I'm on my watch.
So my mom has the same watch that I have, exactly the same. Same size, same color, everything. I want to point out here that it says LTE right up here. I don't know if you can see that, but it says LTE right up here, which means that it is on the what is it called? On the SIM card. It is on the SIM card of my phone. So, Mom, I want to thank you. I want to thank you very much for helping me give them a little demonstration of how all of this works. And I will talk to you soon.
Okay, I'll talk to you soon.
Love you.
Love you too.
Later. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. That is how it works. I am all the way in the living room, and you saw that it says that it is Bluetooth. I am out of Bluetooth range, and I was still able to text. I was still able to make phone calls, and I was able to receive phone calls. So that is your demonstration. I'm glad I was able to show this to you guys.